Are you thinking about moving to Suwanee, Georgia? If you are, you should note that Suwanee has been named multiple times as one of the best places to live, not just in Georgia, but in all of America. Money Magazine ranked Suwanee as one of their top 50 places to live twice in recent years. I'm going to talk about, in this video, cost of living, schools for families with children, and fun things to do in Suwanee, Georgia. I live down the road from Suwanee and have done a ton of research about this city. In this video, we are going to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly, and we're getting to it right now. If you're considering moving to Suwanee, Georgia, you are in for a treat because Suwanee is a unique and vibrant place with a bit of twist in its name. It's spelled S-U-W-A-N-E-E, but it is pronounced as Suwanee. Why the twist? Well, it has a fascinating history tied to its Native American roots. Suwanee's name has its origins in the Cherokee word Shawnee, and over time it morphed into Suwanee. So there you have it, this quirky spelling, but it's all part of the charm. Suwanee is a small suburb located just south of Beaufort in Gwinnett County. As of 2021, it has a cozy population of around 22,000 residents. What makes Suwanee special? Well, one of our absolute favorite is the outdoor spirit of Gwinnett County. Even though it's a developed area, there are tons of ways to enjoy the great outdoors. Gwinnett boasts over 40 parks, 40 throughout the county, with paved walking trails, off-road walking trails, bike trails, skate parks, soccer fields, football fields, baseball fields, you name it. They've got it. Whew, ran out of breath there just listing all of the places in the park that you could enjoy. And if you are into water activities, Suwanee is a stone's throw away from Chattahoochee River and Lake Lanier. These places are a blast year-round, offering activities like fishing and kayaking, canoeing, and even tubing down the Chattahoochee River in the summer. My family and I did that, and it's absolutely so much fun. Just imagine those warm weather vibes tubing down the river on the Chattahoochee River. It is amazing. And don't forget, you've got Lake Lanier nearby, perfect for those sunny days. Now, let's talk about real estate and affordability to live in this city. Home prices have been steadily climbing in Suwanee, with the average sales price sitting right at a whopping $710,000. Now, in 2017, it was a more budget-friendly average sale price on a home at $352,000. So yeah, the prices have essentially doubled in a few years. Now, one of the factors affecting the home price are the great schools and overall desirability of the area that have created intense competition, and there are often limited housing options available. As of the time of the filming of this video, there were only about 85 single-family homes listed in the Suwanee multiple listing service and 34 townhomes for sale. A big chunk of those are well over $1 million. Suwanee has a mix of traditional and contemporary style homes, with a few older, built in the 70s and 80s style ranch homes thrown in. Now, in spite of the higher home values, many are still moving to this area, with over 543 homes sold year to date in 2023. One of the reasons people love living in Suwanee is their fantastic school districts. If you've got kids and are planning to relocate to the city, you'll love the schools here. North Gwinnett High School, for instance, boasts a 9 out of 10 star ratings on greatschools.org. Settlesbridge Elementary School and Riverwatch Middle School are also top-notch with 9 out of 10 star rating. In fact, the average school rating in Suwanee is around 9 or 10. It's a stark contrast to some other areas in Atlanta, like Fulton County, where school ratings can be hit or miss. It's crucial, though, however, to do your own research when it comes to selecting the best schools for your kids. Websites like niche.com and goodschools.com and greatschools.org can be valuable resources. But chatting up with local parents and school staff is also essential to making that important decision. Now let's talk about shopping and dining options. Suwanee itself isn't a massive city, so most of the shopping and dining options are just a stone throws away in places like Duluth or Beaufort. The sense of community is another major highlight of living in Suwanee. It is a diverse and culturally rich area that offers a high quality of life for families. There's plenty of public parks and libraries and numerous local events throughout the year. Suwanee and the neighboring Sugar Hill area are always buzzing with activities like Easter egg hunts, wine festivals, beer festivals, and much, much more. One of the absolute favorites for me and my family is the famous Bark in the Park event. No matter the season, there are endless ways to get involved and make the most of Suwanee's vibrant community. Summertime is especially lively with families out and about enjoying the sunshine. And speaking of great spots in Suwanee, we can't forget about Still Fire Brewery. It is an absolute gem. Not only can you savor some top-notch drinks, but they even have an outdoor playground for the little ones. So, parents, you can kick back and enjoy with a refreshing beverage while keeping an eye on your kids as they too have a blast. And if that weren't enough, they often feature fantastic live music and brings in food trucks to create all-around fun and lively atmosphere. Now, let's talk about Suwanee Town Center. As I mentioned earlier, it is a hub of entertainment, just a stone throws away from Still Fire Brewery. Whether you want to grab some delicious takeout or set up a picnic on the lawn, you're in for a treat. This area is constantly buzzing with all sorts of events and activities, offering a little something for everyone. It's a dynamic and vibrant heart of Suwanee that's always worth a visit. But just like any other place, Suwanee has its share of cons. One of the downsides is the ever-growing population. Over the past 10 years, 150,000 people have flocked to Gwinnett County, making it the second largest county in Georgia. With more people moving in, there is a need for more infrastructure, housing, and you guessed it, traffic. When it comes to major roads, Interstate 85 and Beaufort Highway runs through Suwanee. So the traffic can be a bit of a headache, especially with the influx of people and the booming job market due to the competitive tax incentives that Georgia offers to Fortune 500 companies. Many Suwanee residents work in the city, so you'll often find traffic moving in and out of the suburbs. So be ready for some traffic, especially during the daily rush hour when people are commuting to Atlanta or back into Suwanee from Atlanta. So there you have it, a glimpse into the unique charm of Suwanee, Georgia. If you're considering a move to this fantastic city, shoot me a text, send me an email, or give me a call. All my info is listed in the description below. And if Suwanee is not the town for you, then check out these two cities here. Again, thank you for watching till the end, and until I see you in the next video, I hope you have a great day.